If you want to set a custom notification sound on POCO M8 5G, you can go to Settings, then here we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then we can go to Sound and Vibration, and then we can tap on Notifications. Once you open the ringtone category in the Themes app, you can tap on Choose Local Ringtone, and then we can open audio files. And in here we have the list of different sounds that you have on your phone, so you can see all audio files, and then you can choose whichever sound should be used for notifications. So let's say I can choose this one. We can of course tap on the sound that we added in order to have a preview, to listen to it if we need it, and you can use the apply button on the right side and confirm by choosing notification in order to set it up for notifications. And that is pretty much it. On the other hand, if you want to change just for messages, so if you want specifically the Messages app to have its own custom notification sound, then in that case we're gonna go back to Settings, but we want to open Apps. And we're gonna scroll down in here in order to go to Messages. There we go. Then we're gonna tap on Notifications. Next we're gonna go to Incoming Messages. And over here we can tap on Sound. And the rest is pretty much the same. So in my case, I have already added the custom sounds. I can just go to pre-installed ringtones, and I can use the apply button in here and then confirm by pressing OK. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.